Hey guys, welcome, and this is how to change language in WhatsApp. So, guys, if you ever wondered how to change it, first thing is just simply go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application into your device. Now, over here, you could just simply go ahead and select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Now, here, go ahead and go to the settings on the pop up window. Now, here, just simply scroll down until you see over here app language. So just simply tap on app language. Now, from here, you will have a bunch of languages that are available by WhatsApp in default, and you could just simply find the language that you prefer, and you could just simply go ahead and select it. And after that, it will be automatically be that word or language. As you can see over here, some things change up based on the language I pick. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.